I know everybody's not tech savvy. In this video, I will teach you how you can download beta versions to test and try on your macOS and on your iPhone iOS 18 public beta. So here you can see iOS 18 public beta. It is not officially released, but you can download and install. And here on my macOS, you can see that I have macOS 15. That is also beta version, and it's the developer version. Once it's officially released, then you can install, but you can install earlier as well. On your phone, go to Safari or Chrome, go to Google, and here you type Apple beta program. Open the first website, and here you will see iOS 18 and all the related features are here. Now just go back, and here you will see the sign up option. Sign up with the Apple ID you are already using on your iPhone, and after that you just need to come back to the setting area, need to go to General, Software Update, and here you will find the beta version update. Just go and update. On your MacBook, go to Safari or Chrome browser and go to this website beta.apple.com, hit enter, and in this macOS Sequoia version you can go and check the options. Here there are updates. You can read all these, a preview of the updates, and here is the option to sign up. Just go to sign up, use the same Apple ID, and after that, once you sign in, go to setting, and in the setting go to General, Software Update, same like iPhone. You will see the update here. Just go ahead and update your macOS. So the new beta and public updates will be coming here, and you will be able to directly install them and update your macOS and iOS devices, no matter you are having iPad, iMac, Apple macOS, or any Apple product. So you're good to go. This is how you can easily update to beta versions for now. And if you want to update later, then just wait for the official release. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.